Welcome back to Michelle and Elisa in the kitchen.
Isolation edition.
Yes! All right, we are making Mom's famous biscotti.
Right, we already did episode 3 in Michelle in the kitchen. We made biscotti, but we thought since, Papa wants some, and so we're making them for Papa quickly. Okay, very easy. Half a cup of butter, cup of sugar. Mix them up nice. Go, Willie. And then 2 eggs. But I wanted to say the first recipe of this is a modified version, but the first one came from cousin Lucrezia.
Really?
Yeah. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And then we forgot the alcohol. Should have Cointreau since we're using orange, but I'll put in some limoncello because, we don't. A teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoons. Right. Good. Mix them up nice. This is
Baking powder.
how much?
2 teaspoons.
In how much flour?
2 cups of flour.
2 cups.
What about salt?
Well, the recipe doesn't call for, but TBH, I like a little pinch of salt because it seems to bring out all the flavors. Oh. I should have added the nuts.
Pinch of salt.
Yeah.
We want to make everybody happy. More Papa. We are doing plain.
And then we'll put the nuts and the chocolate in the other half. Now we're going to put flour on our hands. We'll divide the dough in half. And we'll take this half for Puppy. Roll it out, make it into a log. It seems like a lot of work, but it really isn't. They're really quite simple. Auntie Joni taught me about parchment paper.
Pat her down, nice.
Pat her down, real good. Now we're going to add the nuts and chocolate.
So we have roasted almonds.
Yes.
All of them?
Sure, why not? And it's good to leave them whole.
And 1/4 cup of however much you want, really. Okay.
You didn't put the orange rind in.
Oh. All right, we forgot you normally put orange rind in.
Because it's isolation edition. We don't put a bit in.
Okay, we'll put it in now.
It's enough.
Presumptuous cameraman. Okay, look, this is going to be fine. Don't even worry 1 second. Look.
I'm not worried.
Okay, good, neither am I. And you know what? That is a life lesson. Things don't go according to plan, and do we fall apart?
No.
No, we do not.
If you forget a piece in the bowl, you get to eat it.
That's the rule. 2, 3, yeah. There, perfect. Okay, throw them in the oven. 350.
350. 20 minutes, 350.
Checking.
But you knew it right from the start. I'm not going to close my heart.
All right, we're back.
And here they
Perfect.
are. Well, let's leave them for 5 minutes, just so that when we cut them, so they don't crumble everywhere.
Ow, it's so hot.
Honey.
It's okay. We're back.
Oh, we're back. Yeah. It's 5 minutes.
Yeah.
We didn't do it while we wait because we just kind of. Okay, we're going to slice them now.
On a diagonal?
Yes. Not too thick, not too thin.
You knew it right from the start.
Put them back on the pan, standing up so that they brown all around. Get nice and crispy.
Okay, then sugar. Cinnamon.
Then back in the oven for about 15 minutes, but you have to watch them.
See you soon. Okay.
Okay, they're ready. Oh,
Right? Yummers.
Yummers.
And there you have it.
And there you have it.
Biscotti.
Biscotti.
Yeah.
Yeah.